Let me start off by saying that I have both a daughter and a son, and I'm 100% the girl dad. So, yes, I play with dolls. I know all the My Little Pony names, and I love all things that my daughter loves. And what she loves is the color pink, and she loves flowers. And now, this particular flower that I chose to grow for her is what's known as a stargazer lily. The reason why they're called stargazers is because their blooms point up to the skies as if they're gazing at the stars. And now, this particular lily was created back in 1974 by Leslie Woodriff. Some notable characteristics and features about the stargazer lily is that one, it's a perennial, just like all lilies, and will come back every year so we can admire its blooms for years to come. Typically, you'll get your blooms about mid to late summer. They do prefer full sun, but can be grown in indirect bright light. Now, my Stargazer lily was grown indoors on a south-facing window. One additional note for my pet lovers: Stargazer lilies, just like most lilies, are actually toxic to cats. So if you're going to grow them, I would recommend growing them outdoors so they won't be around your furry friends. Also, I've been flirting with the idea of growing plumerias around here. I have a question for you. What's one of your favorite perennial flowers? Why don't you let me know in the comments? But hey, it's been cool talking with you guys today. Talk to you guys later.